Alright, welcome back to another episode in Java Android. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a list view in our Android application. First we must make a activity inside our Java folder. For that we will select new and select Java class, and we'll call this list view activity. Alright, now we must make it activity, so we'll extend app compat activity, and after that we must give it on create. We'll give the on create that has one parameter. And now on create with one parameter. Okay, now we can give the set content view, which will make this activity activity that can work inside our Android application. And we'll give this r.id.activity. We haven't made an activity for this, so activity XML for this, so we'll make an activity XML for this. We'll go to layout and select new and give it a layout resource file, and here we'll give this the name list activity list view, and here we'll give a linear layout here, and we'll press OK. Now our activity list view has been made. Now let's go to the split section and go to here, and we'll change this linear layout to list view, and after that let's press Ctrl Alt and L to make it a list view, to give parameters to our list view. Alright, now we can give the name for our set content view by pressing this. You can say activity underscore list view. Alright, now we have made a list view activity, and we have set the set content view and provided the activity list view to it. Now let's go to Android manifest file and copy this activity XML tag, activity tag, and go under it and paste it again. Here we'll say, as the name we'll give list view activity, and after that we'll change this category of our main activity to default, and we'll have another action here with the name android.intent.action. Action dot view, and we'll close this from here, and we'll copy this from here and paste it here. Now we have made Android another list view activity. and we have mapped it inside our Android manifest. So here we have done the mapping of our Android ListView activity. Here in the ListView activity.java, we got a red message saying that can't resolve activity ListView. This happens because of a bug inside our Android Studio. To change this, we must restart our application. Before that, let's do another thing. Now let's have a private ListView made inside our activity. We'll say private and ListView and call this ListView. Okay, now we can give ID for our ListView inside the XML file. We'll give ID as ID list view. Alright, now we'll initialize our list view here. List view equals find view by ID r.id.list view. Okay. Now we'll have a string array made for our list view items. We say private string and square brackets options and make it equal to some names. We'll give some option values for our string array. We'll give first Kulesh, then a comma, and then we'll give Alex and a comma, and we'll give Hallel and a comma, and we'll give the name Harry. Alright, now we have made our list view option items. Now let's go under here and we'll have an array adapter made. Array adapter, and we'll have the type string given to this, and then we'll call this array adapter and make it equal to new array adapter. And first we'll give the context as this, and we'll have Android .r .layout given as simple list item 1. Alright, now we'll close this from here and we'll set the list view to a list view with the adapter. We say list view dot set adapter and provide this array adapter. Wait, the spelling is wrong. Let's change this to array adapter. And after that, we'll have a list view. We'll have our list view to have a on-click listener. We'll have set on click set on item click listener, and inside it we say new adapter view dot item click listener. And now we can toast our values inside the string options array. To do this, we must have we can use our position. So here int I is our position. We'll give this the name position, and we'll make a toast here. We'll set tost and press tab, and our toast gets made. And for the context, we'll provide this dot ListView activity. Okay, now we'll have our options, and inside it we'll declare our position with the square brackets. Now our application has been made. To have this working, we must restart our application again. We say close project, we will say close project and wait till it closes. Here now, let's change this. We have made an error. Here we must say r.layout.activity_list_view, and let's save this. And after that, here we got another error. For this, we will resolve this by saying toast and make text, and we will have this. We'll have list activity view activity dot this, and inside this we'll give our options, and in square brackets we'll give the position. Alright, now we have built our application, and it's time to run it inside our phone. For that, we must say run from the menu bar. I'll come back to you when this example has been run in our phone. We made some errors. Before running this, you must remove this from the list view activity, and inside here we can change this to this, because there are no children to be placed, because there are no children for our list view. So we'll remove list view closing bracket and change this to this. Okay, now everything is not over. We must provide our array adapter with the string array we just made. We say options, and now our code is complete. It has no errors. Now let's run this and check the output inside our phone. Let's press run icon and wait till it builds. Here is our application that we built so far. We have our values of our string array options placed inside our application. We have Kulesh, Alex, Khalil, and Harry placed inside our application's list view. Now let's do something more. We'll copy this from here and paste it, and we'll change these values to Kulesh 1, Alex 2, Alex 1, Khalil 1, Harry 1, and Kulesh 2, and Alex 2 Kalel too, and Harry too. And now let's run this and check what happens when we run this. Now let's run this and check the output. We got our values inside our array, which were inside our array. Now let's copy this from here and paste it. I want to show you something. Now let's restart this and check the output. Now as you can see, there are many list items inside our list view. We can scroll up and scroll down. That's what I wanted to show you. We can scroll inside our list view. So that's how we make a list view. We can scroll up and down inside our list view, and when we select items, we click on items, we get our values inside the toast. When we press Alex, we get Alex inside the toast as a message. And when we press Kulesh, we get Kulesh as a toast, like a message. So when we press Harry 2, we get Harry 2 as a message in a toast. So this is our application that we built so far. We made a list view inside our application, and we've run it and seen how to use a list view and how we scroll down in a list view, and we've seen how to put elements to our list view inside our Java Android application. So today's lesson is this, and it's over now, and I'll see you in another lesson another time. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.